welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday and it happens to be the US Federal Reserve Court, the rate court, and a lot of persons, a lot of my investors have been asking what should they be looking out for in this year's Fed court. Here's the thing, whenever there is a Federal Reserve Court, it simply means uh, a kind of economic loosening of the bottlenecks that most of the economy experience. And once this court is announced, there's always a free flow of business transactions. It reduces the interest rate for loan, both for um, real estate, both for mortgage, both for auto loans, education fundings, and many others, even international exportation and all that. So it creates a market free flow for both stocks. Stock prices will come down, so a lot of stock their prices will come down to allow a lot of people to enter the market. But there are sectors or industries that are always more beneficial for people to venture in. One of those industries is health. Yes, it's going to loosen a lot of bottleneck around health. Pharmaceutical companies will experience kind of a push. Yes, and then you also have energy. These are sectors that you can go into and see a lot of a boost, a lot of deep. And so, for us who are investors, value investors, we target this day to be able to buy most of the stocks at a very cheaper rate. Don't forget, it's about the valuation. It's about valuation. That the stock price is so cheap does not make the company very cheap. It's just the valuation. And so today, once the market open, because right now this is a pre-market, once the market open, you're going to see a lot of opportunities stepping into the scene. And so these are stocks that I want you uh, to focus on. Yes, I've listed some few stocks that I want you to lay your hands on and make sure you get any of them, because I may list out 10 stocks. It does not really mean that you have to buy all of them. Even if you don't have the complete sum to buy one unit, you can buy a fraction. And so one of those stocks is Open Door Technologies. So Open Door has been surprising the Wall Street over some weeks now. And so these stocks yesterday, Tuesday, before the market closed, it actually traded below the intrinsic value. In fact, it went down $5, and a lot of my investors, they actually pick it from there. And today it has gone back to $9. So imagine the growth in between. So today also, just watch out what is going to be happening, and I will list out some of the stocks for my investors, my paid investors, those who are in my mentorship group, so that you can take these opportunities. And then this semiconductor stock, this is Navitas have been at the support base. We're trying to allow it to break out so that those who are going to buy will also buy. So it's another stock for you to focus on. So I'm going to check for the health. I have FISA, I have Novo Nordisk. So let me check FISA right now and see what is actually trading. These are stocks that you can buy for a long-term growth, and these are growth stocks that can boost your finances. What we are doing here is to help you build for the future. This is uh, this is Novo Nordisk, and is currently trading at $57.99, and is trying to enter $58. And so immediately after the announcement of the Fed cut, this stock will drop down and then pick up. So just follow me and make sure you stick to my channel and see what's going to be popping out for us. And this is United Health. United Health for the past few weeks has actually done excellently well, and right now because of this Fed cut, the price is going deep, and so everyone that wants to get into the market, make sure you fund your portfolio and add this stock to your radar, and then watch my next move. This is Lyft. Lyft has been the darling of the week or the darling of the month, and so this stock has been uh, projected to hit $31 in the intrinsic value, but currently trading at $20.18. So for me, I'm adding this stock to my portfolio, and you too should also do. This is $8 billion market cap stock, so don't miss this particular stock. If it dropped to $19 or $18, good to go, you can buy it and then push forward. It can also drop to $17, and then the next target is going to be $25. So we target this stock, make sure you enter at the right spot. Yes. One more stock that is also on my radar is CoreWeave. CoreWeave has now gone into partnership with Nvidia. Nvidia has just invested billions upon this company, and within the period, this stock is going to do excellently well. Yes, it's going to do excellently well. You can see just few hours ago, it has announced 1.5 billion pounds commitment to power UK AI innovation. So this particular stock, in fact, I have over 10 over 15 units of this particular stock for one of my investors that I manage their portfolio, and they're actually making wave. They're making wave. So if you have bought this stock and it's not doing well right now, do not sell it. Yes, and I repeat, do not sell it. This is a good stock that's going to grow your wealth, and so stick to it. And I'm going to be analyzing specifically that particular stock before the week runs out. This is Snapchat. Snapchat is been trying, so you get this particular stock to your to your radar. So I want to check Nvidia, because Nvidia within the week has dropped in price. It has dropped in price. Yes, look at Nvidia right here, trading at $175 per stock. So these are stock that you should add to your radar. So guys, one more thing that I need you to do for me while you watch, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so that you will always be the first to take this advantage whenever I'm dropping my videos. So guys, watch out for the Fed cut, as I'm going to be reviewing this announcement today, Wednesday.